Hi everyone, welcome to the React tutorial. So today we are going to make change in the UI of React application. So basically in the previous video we discussed all the predefined photos and files and what is package and package.json. In this video we will going to make some changes in our UI. So basically over here you will see that in index.js we render and component that is basically a chunk of code which is required to do some operations in React app, and over here we rendered an app.js and you can see it here. So basically this is what it is predefined. So we will going to comment it and we will render a p tag over here and it would contain hello world in that. Now we are going to save it and we to go over here and you will see a hello world over here. So what does it mean? So basically this p tag or a smallest tag or smallest part of React app is known as element. So this is an element